Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. To fix this, first, click on this Wi-Fi icon to open this quick settings menu. Here, click this arrow next to the Wi-Fi icon. Then, right-click on your Wi-Fi network. Now, select Properties. In the settings window that opens, make sure your Wi-Fi is set as private and not public. If it's public, just select Private. If this does not solve your problem, right-click on the Start icon. Now, select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window that opens, expand this Network Adapters option. Here, right-click on your Wi-Fi driver. Then, select Properties. Now, go to the Power Management tab. Then, tick this Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Finally, click OK. If Wi-Fi continues to disconnect randomly, click the search icon on the taskbar. Here, type View Network Connections in the text box. Then, hit Enter. In this window, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and then select Properties. Now, click this Configure button. Here, go to the Advanced tab. Here, find this 802.11n option. Then, set its value to disabled and hit OK. The last thing you can do to fix this particular issue is go to the search menu again. This time, type Services in the box and hit Enter. In the Services app, scroll down to find this WLAN Auto Config. Right-click on it and select Properties. Use this Startup Type drop-down menu and select Automatic. If the service is not running, click this Start button. Finally, hit Apply and your issue will be solved. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.